How you doing, neighbors? I hope you can hear me. I have a mask on because I'm not 100% out of the. I I I got strep throat and I got a flu. Yeah, the flu. So hang on. So yeah, I'm still sick. I just went to the doctors. I got my third round of botox, and I got an attack over there. I was already, feeling sick, and I don't have enough. Uh, my immune system is very low. So when he was poking me, it triggered my attacks. And he got kind of scared. He's like, "You want me to stop?" We stopped a little bit, and then he continued giving me those pokes. They're very painful. They hurt so much. So, anyways, yeah, I'm at Starbucks slash Barnes and Nobles. There's a lot of people. There's James, and I'm drinking some coffee right here. So yeah, yeah, I'm not feeling good, but I'm out, and I came here to get some coffee because I haven't been out for a while. We survived Christmas, thank God. I hope you can hear me, neighbors. I just want to say thank you first, second of all now, because I've been talking for a while. To all my new followers, thank you so much, neighbors, for coming over and moving into this neighborhood. You're gonna like it. I'm hoping that you do. I want to thank for your support also on the video song "Stronger Than the Storm." Like I said, that song make me cry a lot because yeah, I relate a lot to that. Um, like in the video, you saw the storm in the sky, right? The lightning and the ocean moving. Like the brain is the sky where the lightning is hitting, and the body is the ocean. So you can see how slow the body moves, and then the lightning is the messages that the brain sends to the body. And as you can see, literally is the metaphor. Sometimes we get those signals, they get through our body, and we're able to do things, and sometimes it doesn't hit, and that's when we can't do anything about it. Like when I got out of the doctor's just now, I couldn't lift my leg after the attack. um, um, I I'm having a hard time talking. I couldn't lift my leg on the step, so James had to help me because my leg just couldn't go up. I was telling my leg up, up, and it didn't do it. It was just flat in the ground. So yeah, another thing. You know how I went to the dentist too, and I record. Well, the clinic burned down. Somebody broke into the clinic and burned that building down literally the next day after I record that. Um, so it's devastating. The clinic needs to be rebuilt again. So now all the patients in there have to go to another clinic. I have to go pick up my retainers in another clinic now. But yeah, it's devastating. I mean, that doctor is so cool, so friendly. Everyone in there is super nice, super friendly. But yeah, that's what happened. I have my glasses, but I don't want to make this video. Another thing, I want to give a shout out to all the people who suffer from chronic fatigue. I was looking into that. I saw a documentary about how people struggle horribly with this chronic fatigue. It's a disease, and in some countries they don't really give too much attention to that. It's very little income put into that disease. Is like the lowest. They have other priorities, and then chronic fatigue is in the bottom. So yeah, it's I'm sorry for that neighbors. Whoever suffer from chronic fatigue is a very disabling disease. Like I have fatigue a lot. Thank God. Sometimes it feels like it's chronic because it just don't let me get up. I don't want to do anything. I don't want to be in the light. I just want to lay down. But because I suffer from insomnia, I don't sleep. So I'm laying down only, but I don't sleep. Like my eyes are very red today. I don't know if you can see it. I haven't been able to sleep. Can you see? So they have red veins. Um, what else? Once I get better, we do a better video because right now I'm wearing this mask. I'm trying to get the good light, but I can still see myself dark. Sorry about that. Can you see me now? I'm right behind the sign, so. But yeah, I forgot what I was gonna say, neighbors. But anyways, thank you. I'm sorry. I'm in a fog right now. I can't really think anything. But just to thank you and just to give you an update on the things that are happening. It's very cloudy outside. This morning was super foggy. Sometimes you can just barely see in front of you the car. But I have to tell you another thing. But I will tell you later because. Oh my God, the light. I can't even see myself. I'm sorry. I'm like struggling with the light. Can you see me? Like, look at the phone. It looks dark.
That's fine.
Thank you, neighbors, for coming over and visiting. Sorry, I'm all over the place. Don't forget to laugh. Cuídense mucho, vecinos. Oh, yes. I want to welcome to all my new neighbors from Argentina, Peru, Mexico. My goodness, I'm so glad I got all these Latin countries now. If you want me to speak in Spanish, please let me know so I can throw some stories in Spanish. If you have hard time with English, let me know, vecinos. Cuídense, vecinos. Take care, neighbors, and adios. Don't forget to smile.